To locate small intestine 3, relax your right hand and point it up towards the ceiling. On the pinky finger side of your hand, find the depression that is just below the knuckle of your pinky finger. Push into this area to find a spot that is tender or painful. That is small intestine 3. It might be slightly up, down, or to one side. Activate small intestine 3 by rubbing it rapidly 5 times. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this.